finalist na media vlogger. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa ating send-off ng ating
dito lang, sa gilid.
Miss Teen Tourism, Philcom UAE, Queens, Philcom Abu Dhabi, and Philcom Dubai. So, sila po yung extension ng Megastar family sa United Arab Emirates. So, happy event nila tayo. Okay lang yun. Ganun talaga. Ipagpasalamat natin dahil kumbaga sikat na tayo. Ayan. So, friends ko naman lahat siya mga yan, kahit siya mga nanggagaya na yan. So, sa ating mga media, pasalamatan muna natin ang ating media nandito. Pero syempre gusto ko natin magpasalamat kay Alvin Aragon. Ay, Alvin, ano nga apelyido ni Alvin? Fortuna. So, isang tawag ko lang sa kanya, ayan, in-accommodate niya kami na dito gawin ang aming send-off. So, Alvin, kung nasang ka man, maraming salamat. Hindi, nandun siya sa bahay nila. Kayo naman. Wala kasi siya dito. Ang word kung nasang ka man. Diba? So, thank you so much, Alvin. And sa staff ng Pandan ASEAN Cafe. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sabi nga niya ang pagbabalik daw ng Panday. Kasi ang tagal ko ding nawala dito sa Pandan. So, ang pagbabalik ng Pandan. Ayun. Thank you so much, of course, kay Early Birds Abihon, ng Eventology, and of course, second runner-up, Mel Caparas, of Pageant Chronicle. And ngayong dating may hawak ng record, si Celso Capalas, ay naging third runner-up ng Star Vlogger. And of course, si Esel dyan, ng Pageantry Fanatics. And of course, Jay Barbo ng Pageant Trend. Paolo Lomeda ng Pageantry Musical National. Of course, also OPMB Worldwide. Jonas Xu ng Pageantry Magazine. Si Joy Arguel ng Pop Philippines. And of course, the very beautiful. Kaya kami nag-adjust dahil na-late po siya. Si Edge Tenoria ng Pageantology 101. Okay lang, ganun talaga.
11th
diba?
round.
Sabi nga parang kasi Maricel, and Edge Tenoria. And now, pakilala po sa inyo ang ating first Miss Teen Tourism, Philcom Dubai. Pasok.
Dahan siya, music ng theme song dapat.
Oo, yung
Theme song ng
Megastar.
Megastar.
Ganda. Parang kamukha mo, Mama Jay. Wait lang, dear. Wait lang.
Here po.
Okay.
Just beauty, as we raise empowered hearts.
Jaira man.
We lead the way. Crown on no crown, we rise above. With every step, we give our love to country, to purpose, to every cause. We wear our passion without pause. Megastar Philippines, Queens of the rock.
Ikaw sumayaw eh.
We claim the prize. Tourism grows as hope begins. This is the voice of Megastar Philippines. From north to
Good
south,
afternoon, everyone.
the world.
I am Jaira Marie Sabel Gagliarte Carranza, 15 years old, representing the Filipino community of Dubai.
From the start. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon. I am Jaira Marie Isabel Gagliarte Carranza, 15 years old, representing the Filipino community of Dubai. Thank you.
May photo. Here.
Beautiful.
Alright.
The world will see
Just like SM.
nation
Ito
proud
pa ng copyright ni Wag.
in unity.
Here dito sa gitna.
Sa gitna, be.
Here sa gitna.
With every walk, we shine so bright.
Gitna dear, smile.
For a purpose, that's what we stand.
Stomach in.
Jaira. Women, hand in hand.
Okay,
Culture,
let's move on to our next queen, Miss Team Tourism, Philcom Abu Dhabi.
Woo!
on the crown, we claim the
Ay, ah, ganda.
tourism grows as hope begins. This is the voice of Megastar Philippines. From north to south, the world will see a nation proud in unity.
Pagputin niya.
Jobs are made, lives take flight. With
Center.
every walk, we shine so
Hawaii. Center.
for a purpose. That's what
Flying
we
kiss.
stand. Empowered women, hand in hand.
Here.
Culture, courage, grace and stride. We
Here,
wear
here.
with deepest pride. Megastar
Wait lang, dear. Wait lang. Wait, wait.
Beyond the
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Louise Ariane Kerr, 19 years old, representing the Filipino community of Abu Dhabi.
Okay. Photo please again. Baba mo na yung ano.
age, we shine our light. More than beauty, we lead with grace. Megastar's heart.
Saan po mukha mo?
Next photo here. One more here.
Jobs. Women rise.
Yung dalawa.
Not just beauty. We empower lives.
Both beautiful. Just like.
Look here, this side. Over here. This side. Hawaii.
Dear gitna.
Megastar
Center.
Center. Eh,
This side again. This side again.
dear baba mo yung ano. Closer kayong dalawa. Yes. Yan. One, two.
Generation Anko.
O yung isa.
This side.
Gaganda.
Louis Jaira. Jaira here.
Okay, pumuna kayong dalawa. Ah, dito. Thank you so much. Bago ko pakilala itong isang importanteng tao sa buhay namin para sa event na ito, kung di dahil sa kanya, wala kaming Emirate Queen. Gusto ko muna acknowledge yung mother, Mardia G. Carranza. Mother po kayo ni Dubai. And then, ang grandmother, si Mother Rosario I. Care. Lola naman ni... Yan.
Pwede sa elite Mrs.
Ano pala sila? si Luis na Philcom Abu Dhabi, mix pala siya ng Irish. Filipino-Irish. Yun. Pero sa UAE naka-base. Ayan. Sila pong dalawa ay nanggaling sa management nitong aming beauty queen na to. Ang kanyang management office sa UAE is IART Event and Talents International. Gusto ko makilala niyo siya at for sure kilala niyo na siya dahil ilang beses niyo na rin siyang nakaharap. Ang National Director namin for United Arab Emirates for the Filipino community, the reigning Mrs. Tourism Globe 2024, Queen MJ Traya.
Women rise. Not just beauty.
Ganda! MJ! Center po! Smile! Ganda ng crowd.
MJ.
MJ here. Smile.
MJ, isa po.
Okay, thank you so much, MJ. Si MJ po, siya po yung, alam niyo naman yun, siya yung nanalong Mrs. Tourism Globe na ginanap na sa Thailand last year. So, then after that, parang masyado nang nag-sink in sa puso niya ang beauty pageant. Yes, gusto niyang itry. Kaya, eto na siya. Siya na po yung aming National Director ng Philcom UAE for Mrs. Tourism, Mrs. Universe, Miss Tourism, Miss Teen Tourism, at siya rin po yung nag-assist doon sa aming National Director for Woman of the World sa UAE. Of course, bago tayo magkaroon ng question and answer portion sa kanila, for sure marami kayong gustong malaman or itanong sa dalawang beauty queen natin at National Director. Gusto ko muna samantalahin ng pagkakataon na magpasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa 7th edition ng Miss and Miss Teen Tourism. Of course, makita nyo naman dito sa tarpaulin, ang Nanzen Kawina, aming official residence sa Laguna, na nag-usap na kami nung may-ari nito. Aayusin ko lang lahat ng schedule ng ating mga media dahil dadalhin ko kayo lahat doon, bibigyan ko kayo ng overnight stay sa Nanzen Kawina Resort. Aayusin natin kasi kailangan lahat kayo walang racket that time kasi overnight tayo kasi mas maganda yung lugar. Gusto ko, since na-enjoy namin, gusto ko ma-enjoy nyo rin yung lugar para makita nyo yung pinagmamalaki ng Pagsanhan, Laguna. And of course, ang Go Hotel Timog, Quezon City, sila po yung aming official residence sa arrival ng lahat ng delegates arriving starting tomorrow. Meron kaming early arrival tomorrow, yung Sri Lanka. And the rest is arriving on the 30th. Plus, meron kaming darating na August 2 dahil medyo malayo ang panggagalingan sa Ghana. Kaya August 2 yung nakuha nilang arrival sa Manila. And of course, ang NGP Resort and Adventure sa Mount Arayat, dadaling ko din ang mga media dito.
Wow!
Kasi gusto ko ma-experience nyo lahat yung magagandang lugar na napupuntahan namin. Huwag kayong mag-alala, all expenses paid plus pakimkim. And of course, ang Jane's Private Resort sa Pansol, ang Hotel Sogo, at ang CLA Town Center na kahit na hindi sinuwerte si Mayor Aresa, pero patuloy pa din siyang sumusuporta sa lahat ng aming ginagawa, especially kung sa Laguna. Ayan. Kaya Mayor Aresa, maraming salamat po. And of course, ang SM City San Pedro, kung saan namin gaganapin ang aming Grand Coronation sa August 8, na happen to be birthday ni Prince. And of course, ang Mega Dance Center sa Clark, dyan namin gaganapin ang aming preliminary evening gown competition. At ang aming official swimwear provider is si J. Mart Barrett ng Fearless Fashion. And of course, Hotel Go, so clean, so good. Mga media, bibigyan ko kayo ng 24 hours accommodation with breakfast for two sa Sogo Hotel. Any branches magagamit nyo. And of course, ang Villa Aresa at ang Metro Central Mall, dito namin gaganapin ang aming National Costume Competition sa Santa Cruz, Laguna. And of course, ang rich Indian cuisine, dito lang malapit sa opisina nila Patricia Javier. Diyan gaganapin ang ating press conference sa August 1 na hindi yata makaka-attend si Edge kasi birthday ng nanay niya. Pero magpapadala siya ng representative. O ayan na, in-announce ko na. And of course, ayan si Patricia Javier, walang sawang sumusuporta sa amin. At ang aming RA Bayan Tourist Transport, ang official transport ng Megastar Philippines sa lahat ng aming international pageant. Ayan. And of course, Dr. Essential ni Daisy Reyes, Doc Rob ni Patricia Javier, and of course, ang Lioness, Pearl, and Jewelry na dadalhin ko rin sa Dubai soon. And of course, si Jansen. At ang aming number 1 presenter namin, ang Puderma from Vietnam. Ang aming corporate sponsor sa lahat ng aming international pageant. Puderma from Vietnam. Soon. Matitikman din ng mga media yan. Kasi lahat naman gusto ko patikim sa media. Pati ang Hamada Spa, massage, papatikimin ko kayo lahat to. Para ma-experience nyo na may langit pala sa lupa. Ayan. So, mag-start na tayo ng question and answer bago tayo mapunta kung saan. Sino una magtatanong? Si Edge. Di ba dapat palagi kang huli? Edge Tenorio.
Kasi ano,
Gusto niya ngayon una.
Siyempre.
Tito Nolo kayo ba? Oo. Hello girls and hello po ma'am. So ako po si Edge Tenorio ng Pageantology. Para po sa benefit po ng ating mga viewers, of course, first time po namin kayong na-meet and itatry namin kayong kilalanin. So i-start po natin sa kay Miss Luis and Jaira, ang pangalan mo, Jaira Marie. So, can you give us 3 fun facts na gusto nyo i-share sa aming kagad?
I am a singer and dancer, and I also take psychology. And the last fun fact about me is that I also do sports, specifically track and field.
And you're Irish, right?
Yes,
Half Pinay and half
I'm half
Irish.
Irish.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19. So, is this your first time to join the pageant?
No, I've actually joined 3 pageants in UAE already.
In UAE. So, you can speak naman Tagalog, Filipino?
Yes, I'm fluent in Tagalog and
Hindi naman.
I can also
Gusto
understand
natin mga
Tagalog.
half-Filipino sa Pinay. Oo, of course, you're representing Abu Dhabi. And, kamukha mo si Rachel Anco, girl. Yung singer, kaya mo yun? Yung nag-Miss Icon.
Oh,
Yan. And so, yeah, you're only 16 years old.
15 years old.
15! Ang bata. So, can you give us interesting facts na gusto mong i-share sa amin?
Well, back in UAE po, I am a performing artist. Specifically, I'm a singer po. And I love playing musical instruments like piano, guitar. I'm currently learning the violin and the cello po. And a last fun fact is I also do ballet. I dance ballet po.
Saan kayo dito sa Philippines?
I'm from Bicol po.
You're from Bicol. How about you, girl?
I'm from Pampanga po.
From Pampanga. Saan sa Pampanga, Iha?
San Fernando po.
San Fernando. Madami mga lalaki siya, mga boys siya. Madam, you're Mrs. Tourism Globe, right? Oo, so kamusta naman po? So, is this your first time na mag-franchise ng pageant? Ito po ba yung first yun na alaga?
Yes po. Sila yung first na... actually, hindi sila lang. Marami sila. From a different category.
Ano pong name ng inyo po? You have organization din po ba?
Sorry. Sa Bicol po, I have hired international. So, I conduct all the pageant as well. So, I mean, different pageant.
I see. So what made you decide na, of course, na magkaroon din ng organization ng team to represent your beauty sa, like, sa pageant ni Madam, ni Mother of It?
Actually, from my own experience, as a first time as well, na lumaban international. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, kung nagawa ko sa sarili ko na very shy type talaga. So, I decided to make my own. So, etong dalawang beautiful girls dito sa tabi ko, is handpick ko sila.
I see. Last question po. Mother of It, ito ba yung first time na, ilang edition na po ba itong historism? 7. And then first time to nagaganap din sa Dubai? Outside the country? Tama ba? Tama po ba? Mother of It? Mother of It, bakit ka
Hindi, nagpadala sila.
I see.
So, kumbaga, siya yung nag-search ng representative ng...
Pero saan gaganapin? Sa Laguna? So, yung ano po, yung Miss Tourism.
Ang Miss and Miss Tourism dito sa Philippines.
Ay, sorry.
Basically, darating sila sa Manila on yung mga delegates ng July 30. Then, after 3 days, pupunta kami ng Pampanga. Then, after, mag-2 nights kami doon eh. Then, yung 6 days namin sa Laguna, Pagsanhan, Santa Cruz, San Pedro, Calamba.
Ito yung may mga World International.
Oo.
Tanda ko na.
Yung ginawa natin sa Tagaytay last year.
Binal mo ko, hindi ko alam tanda yan. Sa Laguna natin na abutan.
Hindi ba siya kasama doon?
Tagaytay? Parang hindi.
Kasama ka doon?
Tagaytay. Laguna yun.
Tagaytay.
Laguna lang.
Kasi nga yung binal ko kami. Joke lang. So, thank you so much. And, oh my God, hindi yung inaabangan doon. Kasi ang gaganda ng crowns, pang Miss World talaga, tsaka international. Kung ano talaga yung origin ng ating mother pageant, yung universe, international world, Earth also, we have also Earth. Same lang din ang crown ng ating makukuha for the winners. Kaya kaabang-abang yan. Thank you so much. And next, Sir Mel.
Thank you, Edge. My question is for Louie and Jaira Marie. My question is, what is your greatest achievement in life that you are most proud of, that you want to share with your fellow Miss Teen Tourism candidates?
Well, I would like to say that my greatest achievement so far was when I joined Battle of the Bands and represented my university, because it was my first time to be in a band competition and also perform with the university band. And we won the championship, so it was my first achievement in the university, and I'm very glad that we got it. So yes, thank you. My greatest achievement would be, it happened last year in December. I joined this competition, the American Protégé, which was held in New York, Carnegie Hall. And I was able to win first place in Broadway and traditional. But honestly for me, I personally see the award that I got as a bonus.
But what matters to me is the young kids that I inspire. Whenever I perform on stage, I'm able to inspire other young people. That's what matters to me po. Yun yung pinaka-greatest achievement po for me.
Thank you, Ila.
Hi. Good afternoon. I'm Nolly for OPS World. I have a question for both of you. Okay. How do Middle Eastern women like both of you can learn from joining international beauty pageant like Miss Indonesia?
Can you repeat the question po?
How do Middle Eastern women, young girls like both of you, can learn from joining international pageant like Miss Indonesia?
Well, in Dubai, there are very less competitions. So, by joining an international competition representing the UAE, we hope that the youth rather, gets inspired by us and also plans to join other international competition or even national competitions to empower them and encourage them to show their talents and also to showcase what they've got and to build their confidence. So we hope that by us representing the UAE in Philippines, they would also want to join other competitions just like us.
I believe by joining competitions like this, international pageants, what we can learn po is the different cultures of the other candidates that we meet, we compete with, and we also learn to be more confident in ourselves and to express ourselves on an international stage and to promote what we stand for, what we believe in, and yes po, to show and learn our talents po.
Okay, very good. Alam lang. Okay. Can you tell us your biggest strength that will help you in winning any title at stake in the sport category beauty pageant? Your biggest strength. Lahat.
Well, I would say that my biggest strength would have to be my mindset. Lately, I've been preparing myself mentally by always surrounding myself with people who support and love me so that I would always remind myself that this is not mainly for a crown, but rather the journey so that I can also grow as an individual. If there's any mistake, I should always take it as a way of learning and also to improve better as a person and also as a candidate. So yes.
Okay, how about
I think my greatest strength would be my empathetic nature and my ability to connect with other people. So during this competition po, my main goal is to make friends, enjoy the experience, and winning the crown po is just the bonus. I want to meet other people, learn about their culture po, and inspire the youth. Thank you.
Wow, nice. Thank you. And for Miss Traya, how do you feel na kaliga mo na ngayon si Mother Open? Ay, as a pageant organizer na rin.
Actually, I learned from Mother Oben. So, kung ano yung nakikita ko sa kanya na talagang inaral ko rin talaga. After my journey, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, itatry ko. Kasi, hindi lahat kasi nabibigyan ng opportunity na makapili or pumili na mapukumpit international stage. But I see this, actually not them only, but there's a few girls that I pick as well na to compete international.
Okay.
But these two had a potential.
Oo, okay. Totoo yan. Okay, so after franchising for Miss Tintorita, you have plan of organizing your own pageant? It's either national or international?
Yeah, of course. Actually, I have 9 line-up ng different pageants sa Dubai. So at the moment, I want to finish my reign kasi I'm going to pass my crown this coming October 3. So I am October 2. So after this, I'm going to have my own pageant, which is a different one.
What's the name?
bago siya sa UAE actually. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita ng pageant ng ganun. Pero yun yung gagawin namin. So soon.
Okay, your personal message to your two queens before they officially compete next week or this
Yeah.
coming week.
For Luis and Jai, both of them, I love them very much. I know that this competition is suit to them. And I know they can fight fair and square as what I did before sa Thailand. So I believe that their potential and their beauties and they're smart as well. So alam ko na they're going to bring the crown. Right, girls?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, good evening. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. So it's nice to see you all. And my first question is, of course, to our national director. Yeah. So, ano ba yung nakita niyo sa kanilang dalawa? Kung bakit sila po yung pinili niyo na mag-represent ng Dubai and Abu Dhabi for Miss Team Tourism?
They're both smart. And then at the same time, they're both full. Then with a heart. Kasi nakita ko sila eh. Some of the candidates, sila para lang silang magkapatid. As in, they're not really related in blood. But when you saw them, they're very close to each other. And then they're competing already before. Together, right? So sabi ko, why not that I'm going to pick these two and then they're going to compete with a heart.
And where did you start po to choose them? And kumusta na rin po yung mga trainings nila and preparations?
Tomorrow, we're going to Bragalis, what I did last year. So, let's see tomorrow what time is the availability na makukuha namin. And then, si Mami Meg, which is the mother of Jai, she's my... Nung nagpapagawa ako ng national costume, kasi wala talaga akong idea that time na nag-compete ako. So, doon ko nakilala si Mami Meg. And then I heard already Jai. May anak din ako, ganito. So, first time ko, hindi ko alam na yung Jai na sinasabi nila, si Jai pala na anak niya. Nung na-pick ko, sabi ko, ay, may potential siya. Kasi matangkad, maganda, matalino, at saka talented. And then si Luis naman, when I saw Luis, sabi ko, may potential tong batang to. Kasi talagang mixed Filipina. Then, ibang lahat. Sabi ko, sa kanilang dalawa, may potential talaga sila. Kasi they are both talented. You will see them in the competition, talagang magsashine itong dalawang to.
And I believe this is your first time to manage or to become a national director.
Yeah.
So how was the adjustment po from being a beauty queen and then now you are managing beauty queen also?
Kasi time management talaga ako. Hindi ako OCD pero I always align my goal and I always align kung ano yung dapat kong priority. So now that I'm here, sabi ko sa sarili ko, na na-try kong i-manage ang family ko, why not na-try kong mag-manage in a different, forte. Kaya sabi ko, these two, not only two, there are 11 actually. So this is the second batch, kasi yung dalawa ko nanalo na. So this is the second batch of my queens.
Alright, congratulations po.
Thank you.
And let's move on to our candidates. So let's start with Philcom Dubai. So, how did you, paano ka napapayag na to join Miss Team Tourism ng ating national director?
Can you repeat the question po?
How did you,
How did this
how did you
candidate-
convince to join?
So actually po, Miss MJ approached me during this awarding po in Dubai, the Global Filipino Icon Award. She approached me po and she talked to me if I wanted to join. And honestly, at first po, I was very doubtful. I was very hesitant. Tapos somewhere in the middle, I had like thoughts of backing out, mga doubts po. Pero once I made the decision po that I would join, I just went with it. You only live once po, and an opportunity like this only happens once in a blue moon po. Kaya I took the chance po.
And you're only 15 years old, dear.
Yes po.
So, all throughout your journey here at Miss Teen Teen Tourism, how did you encounter some hardships or challenges, and what are they?
Honestly, my main hardship po was yung weakness po ko. My weakness po kasi sa pageant is on the spot, yung mga speeches and like this po. So I worked on that po. And another challenge that I had was yung mga thoughts ko po. Minsan po I had doubts na kaya ko ba to? Can I answer this? What if I do something wrong? If I say something wrong? Pero ayun po, I just gave myself motivational talk. I told myself I could do this. I talked to my mom po. She's always there to comfort me po pag I'm having these thoughts and doubts po. So, yun po.
Alright, thank you so much, dear. And let's move on to Luis Arya, our Philcom Abu Dhabi. Ayan. So, same questions. How did you convince, or how did the national director convince you to join Miss Teen Tourism?
At first, Miss MJ asked me if I wanted to join, and same as Jer, I was quite hesitant because from previous pageants, I experienced a lot of hardships by like preparation with the gowns. Kasi po, it's a big investment financially. So I was having doubts whether I should join or not because it's also international. So I know that we have to invest a lot for this, and also the preparation. However, I also thought about my previous pageants where I experienced new things and also learned a lot. So I thought to myself, if I join internationally and meet international candidates, I would also be introduced to different cultures, different mindsets, and different traditions, which made me want to join because it's exciting and it's also adventurous. So I wanted to have this new experience and also take it as a step to learn new things as well. So yes, that's why I joined Miss Teen Tourism 2025.
So aside from that, are there any personal reasons why you joined Miss Teen Tourism?
Not really. No personal reasons, honestly.
So for how long you've been joining pageants?
I only started joining pageants in 2023. So
Alright, thank you so much, and best of luck, dear.
thank you.
Good evening, Pageant News International. My question for Queen Louise and Jana Marie. So here's your question. As a Teen Tourism Ambassador representative, how will you promote your place to the foreign visitors?
Pardon, can you please repeat?
How do you promote your place to the foreign visitor? How do you promote?
Foreign visitors here po in the Philippines.
In your place?
In UAE.
Yes, thank you. UAE.
In UAE, it's very diverse. There are different cultures and it's multinational. So there are a lot of people who are open to learning new traditions, new cultures, and by being a proud Filipino in UAE, I'm proud that I'm able to promote the country by introducing new food to them and having them try it. And also, I also invite my friends to my pageant just so that they can see how the pageantry industry is very big in the Philippines and how we represent like our places and also our festivals. And I also try like teaching my friends the language, and they actually enjoy it a lot. I have friends who can speak Tagalog na, and they can also understand the slangs as well. It's very heartwarming, and nakakataba po talaga ng puso pag willing po silang aralin po yung culture natin. So yun po.
So like Ate Luis po, I have a lot of international friends back at home po. And I promote our country by talking to them about the different places here in the Philippines, different cuisines, and I also let them try different foods. And I talk about yung mga cultures and the unique things we do here in the Philippines, yung pagmamano, the way we use po and opo. Yan po.
Here naman sa Philippines, ano yung favorite local destinations mo? At paano yung mag-promote naman sa inyong sa place niyo yung favorite local destination?
Honestly, I've rarely been out of Pampanga po. So my whole life, whenever I visit Philippines, palagi po ako nasa Pampanga. And napropromote ko po talaga kasi whenever I'm in Pampanga, I always feel like I belong in the place. And it's always fun. So I always tell my friends na if they're visiting Philippines, please do visit Pampanga kasi ang saya po talaga. Masarap din po yung mga pagkain sa Pampanga. So yun po. Tapos marami pong mga cafes which I honestly enjoy so much. I love visiting cafes. Tapos ang sarap din po talaga. So yun po, napropromote ko po yung Pampanga po.
Honestly, can you repeat the question, Colin?
Here naman sa Philippines, ano yung favorite local destination mo? At paano mo ito may promote sa place mo?
Okay, honestly po, the last time I've been here in the Philippines was, I was 7 or 8 years old po, and after that po, there was pandemic and I never got to go home po because of financial issues po. Pero, so, when I came here to the Philippines, the only place that I went to was Bicol po. So I don't know many places here that I haven't been to so much like tourist destinations here in the Philippines. So I'd say my favorite place would be the Mayon volcano po, which is back in my province, Bicol po. I would promote it, how will I promote it po? I will talk about how unique the Mayon volcano is po. And it's my favorite because I'm an environmentalist po. I love the environment and I want to care for it po and all of its animals. So that is my favorite tourist destination po here in the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck, girl.
For Jaira, Marie, and Marian. Why do you believe that Miss Teen Tourism is as relevant as any pageant?
I think Miss Teen Tourism is just as relevant as other pageants because we get to introduce different cultures and different traditions through this pageant, and also opportunities such as job opportunities, and also how it fixes the economy of our countries. So yes, I do believe that tourism is just as relevant as other pageants.
I think Miss Teen Tourism is as relevant as any other pageant po, because it gives the youth po and other candidates that are joining this pageant, it gives them the opportunity po to stand up and talk about issues, the things that they believe in and they want to talk about. So, and it gives them a platform po to showcase their talents and their beliefs. Thank you po.
Good evening, ladies. My question is for Luis and Jaira. How do you balance your school, pageant journey, and your personal life?
I try balancing my time as much as possible, although it gets kind of difficult at times, especially since I'm already in first year university. Things get pretty hectic in university, and then I also have the pageant alongside. However, since I'm on break right now from university, my next semester starts on August 25. I got a break, so I got to focus on the pageant completely, which I'm very grateful for because of this timeline. And how I balance it is that I try my best to manage my time well by waking up early and also having to work out and practice my talent, and then also practice for the pageant so that I also have free time to do my hobbies and also have enough sleep. So yes, I try my best to schedule everything and follow it accordingly just so that I don't get lost and everything stays balanced. Thank you.
For me po, it's time management. Pero I'm very grateful po. I'm actually online po ako back in UAE. So I'm also very grateful po that my school is very supportive po. They're very understanding about my competition right now po. So there are times po na I have to be absent at school pero I'm able to get back on track po with all of my other classmates kasi I manage my time po and whenever I have free time, I do my assignments. So actually, habang nandito po ako sa Pinas, nag-join pa rin po ako ng class opo kasi online lang po siya.
Thank you, girls.
Since you're crowning, since you nag-crown na kayo, ano yung most rewarding part being a team leader?
Since the crowning po, I guess the most rewarding part is this next step for a milestone. It's just the start of a new journey internationally. So I think it's a great opportunity for me to like grow more and find myself more, discover. So yes.
For me po, the most rewarding thing after being crowned and sashed is I will be representing the Filipino community of Dubai and being able to come back here to the Philippines. That was the most rewarding part for me po after joining this competition.
To Miss MJ, paano niyo mo nababalance? Kasi dalawa yung candidate mo na equally maasikaso silang dalawa.
We have a group chat and then laging meron kaming ahead of time na may gagawin tayo ngayon. Pag hindi available ng isa, hindi namin itutuloy. Kasi I want them to be fair. I want to be fair with them. So every time na meron kaming gagawin, may pag-uusapan kami, we always have in a group chat. So we always talk about it before we start it. Kasi gusto ko, wala silang iisipin na mas pabor ako dito, mas pabor ako doon. I always fair with them.
Thank you. At can you share also your advocacies na gusto niyo i-promote sa international?
So my advocacy po is to raise awareness on wildlife protection po because I'm an animal lover po. And I also want to empower the youth po through performing arts. Back in the UAE, I'm a performing artist, a singer, and by being on stage, performing, singing, I want to inspire the youth to be more self-expressive, more confident in themselves, and to reach for their dreams po, no matter how big it is. Thank you.
So my advocacy is actually to promote self-worth because in this modern day, especially with social media and comparison being often made, it truly tests our confidence, which is why I want to remind everyone that our value is not measured by the amount of likes, the labels people give us, or their other opinions, but rather how they are truly inside. So yeah, I want to promote and also empower others to embrace their uniqueness and love themselves genuinely, and also take a walk and know that they are enough just as they are. So that's why my advocacy is to promote self-worth. Thank you.
Hello, meron lang akong kasingit na question for Miss Philcom Dubai. Ikaw ba yung, I'm so amazed lang kasi nag-perform ka sa Carnegie Hall, tama ba?
Yes.
Oh my God, so New York yan. And then nakapag-perform dyan si Lea Salonga. Can you tell us about yung experience mo na yan? I'm so amazed talaga.
Honestly po, it was really unbelievable po that I was able to go to New York. It was one of the best experience po, and I'm really grateful po to my mom. She's sitting there by the audience, and my dad po. He will be coming po from UAE soon. So I'm really thankful po that they're very supportive of me po. And yun, I was really amazed po kasi Lea Salonga was able to
Nag-perform ka
step
doon,
in there.
girl. Anong kinanta mo doon?
Sa Broadway ko po, I sang Memory from Cats Musical.
Sample naman. Yeah. I'm so amazed talaga, Ma'am Shi ha. Diyos ko, bibihira ang nagka-Carnegie. Sinano yan? Lea Salonga. Go, sample naman Eva.
Sa kinanta ko po doon yung Memory. Midnight, not a sound on the pavement as the moon lost her memory. She is smiling alone. Ayan po.
Ang galing! Congratulations! Ilang taon ka nun, girl?
15 po.
Oo, ito mo. Ang ganda ng mga bayo ng inyong mga candidates ngayon.
Thank
Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Jaira Marie and Luis. At a young age, you're already accomplished in so many ways. Why the need to join pageants?
Honestly, although we have achieved a lot of things already at a young age, I don't think it's a destination to stop at. There are still more things to explore, more things to try, which is why I tried pageantry in 2023. And after joining that pageant, it changed me a lot as a person, honestly. Even how I think and how open-minded I was. So I wanted to try more. I wanted to join more pageants to see how much I could change myself into a better person, how much I could learn and grow. And it's also an interesting journey, meeting new people and how they think, understanding the whole pageant industry and what goes on. It's very interesting to me, which is why I wanted to join the pageantry industry as well, aside from all the other things I've been doing.
I joined, I've already competed in some competitions po, singing competitions back in UAE po. And I wanted to join a pageant competition because it's a completely different experience from singing competition and a talent competition. And I wanted to join this international pageant because I want to meet different people with different cultures, different ideas, and I want to learn from them po. And I wanted to experience a different vibe. So like something like that po. Kasi the competition in singing and pageantry is completely different about the experience that you're gonna get from there. Thank you.
Here's may mga tanong yung ating mga kaibigan. Pageant na daw ba kayo dito sa Pilipinas? Did you join pageants here in the Philippines already?
Hindi po.
Hindi pa yan. Kasi may kamukha daw kayo na mga nagpa-pageants. Ayan. So my second question for you is, what was the best lessons that you've learned in joining pageants?
Well, I learned that even if you lose a pageant, it's not the end. You can still join again. Take it as a lesson, improve yourself more, and also practice more. You can always join another time. It doesn't mean that your answer was wrong. It doesn't mean that you're bad. It just means that you have to learn more, try more, and also push yourself more. Maybe it wasn't your time. Maybe there's a different time for you. So you don't have to give up. Just keep trying. Because in the end, it's a win-win situation. You learn even after you lose.
For me po, what I learned in joining and competing in pageants is that you don't fight for the crown po. For me personally, when I join a competition, I don't fight to win the crown po. For me, joining pageantry is so that I can have a platform po to promote my advocacy, to talk about the issues that I care about, and most importantly po, to inspire the youth. Thank you po.
Thank you. Miss MJ, nanalo ka ng Mrs. Tourism. So what is the best advice that you have given to your ward?
The best advice that I can say, stay who you are. Because if you become who you are, at least you can compete like fair and square. Kasi nung journey ko, as in, I don't have any experience in international pageant. Pero the time that the pageantry, you learn a lot. From the attitude, from the people around, and how to respect a different culture and different people. So lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila na mag-observe lang kayo and then just compete para sa sarili nyo, para sa community. Because you are here to represent the Filipino community and be proud na kung sino ang nare-represent nyo. And of course, being a Filipino, be proud to be a Filipino.
Ayan, ang galing naman. Ayan, ready na yung phone nyo kasi ito na yung final question. Pero bago ko itanong yung final question sa ating candidate, Mother Obet, can you tell our viewers kung
about Miss Teen Tourism? Ilan ang candidates? Kailan gaganapin? Saan ang finals?
For delegates arriving, we're expecting at least 25. Pero depende kasi yan. Alam nyo naman sa history ng pageantry, may mga last minute changes sa mga delegates. Like yung iba, hindi nare-release ng visa. Kahit yata, araw-araw ako sumusulat. Actually, isa sa trabaho ko bilang may-ari ng international pageant, sulatan lahat ng embassy sa iba't ibang country para mag-submit ng mga documents, the legitimacy of the pageant. But sometimes, just like our experience, based on my experience, kahit na sabihin na nating kumpleto documents ng organizer, kailangan pa rin ipakita mo sa embassy nito, like ako, nagpapadala ako ng mga delegates na Miss Philippines o Mrs. Philippines sa ibang country. Kailangan ipakita mo sa embassy dito yung pagiging established mo as a organization or company sa Pilipinas para mag-issue sila ng visa. Kasi like kami, naka-experience na ako niyan eh. Meron ako dating nilaban sa Mrs. Globe. Sobrang yaman nun. 4 ang anak. Yung 4 na anak lahat, US passport. Bakit na dinayang nanay sa US visa? So, di ba? Yung ganon. So, same thing sa mga national director ko sa abroad. Ang palagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, ipakita nyo sa embassy namin, yung embassy ng Pilipinas, na capable kayong mag-travel at may plano kayong bumalik. Kasi yun naman kailangan establish mo na hindi ako magtitienti sa Pilipinas. Kasi syempre, lalo na pag mga third world country, medyo nahihirapan sila, or mga African country na mahihirap, medyo nahihirapan. So, but hopefully, at least may dumating kaming, kasi nagawa na lahat yung embroidered sash. Sayang naman. Every year, palagi kami may mga nasasayang na sash. Kaya this time, hindi na ako naglagay ng year. Kasi pag may year ang sash, hindi namin magamit sa susunod na taon. Which same country pa din naman. And also, ang aming media presentation will be on August 1. Siyempre, invited ang top 10 plus additional more media. And then, ang aming preliminary evening gown competition sa August 3 sa Mega Dance Center. Ang aming talent competition sa August 6 sa Aresa Mall sa sa Pagsanhan na sponsor ni Mayor Aresa and the family. And of course, ang aming national costume competition gaganapin sa Metro Central Mall sa Santa Cruz. And of course, the grand coronation will happen in SM City San Pedro na sponsor ng SM City plus Mayor ng San Pedro, the Congresswoman of San Pedro. Sa mga LGU na nag-sponsor po at sumuporta sa aming pageant, maraming salamat po. Kahit na ang dami niyong dinonate sa mga nangyaring baha, but still, sinuportahan pa rin nila yung pageant namin na nakadikit yung date eh. Pero nagbigay pa rin sila ng suporta. And ililibot kasi namin yung mga delegates in different location. Kasi yun naman yung palaging aim ng Megastar Philippines na paggagawa kami ng pageant. Hindi lang kami nag-i-stay sa hotel or sa isang lugar. Kahit na gumastos kami sa, alam niyo naman kung gaano kamahal ang kumuha ng bus. Ang bus 10 days po sa aming tulog. As in, kasama namin yung bus the whole time na may pageant kami. Kasi from Quezon City to Clark to Mount Arayat, then sa Laguna, Santa Cruz, Pagsanhan, Calamba, San Pedro, medyo malawak. Because gusto rin namin ipakita sa different country na Ito yung Pilipinas. Meron kayong iba't ibang makikita. Hindi lang kayo nasa isang kwarto, tapos punta kayong mall, tapos mag-party kayo, tapos na ang pageant. Sa amin po, hindi baling mapagod. Gusto lang namin, pagbalik ng mga candidates sa bansa nila, meron silang pwedeng ikwento na ito yung na-experience ko sa Pilipinas. So, sa mga media na patuloy na nandiyan palagi sa lahat ng aking ginagawa, maraming salamat po sa inyo sa walang suporta na binibigay niyo. Kaya, siyempre in return, gusto ko rin kayong ipasyal sa iba't ibang destinasyon na pupuntahan namin. And of course, kay Lola, kay Mother, thank you so much sa suporta nyo at talagang andito kayo palagi. And of course, anak ni Jaja na susunod ilalaban na rin. Yung nanay niya, nasa Dubai din. Yung nanay niya lalaban sa Mrs. Tourism 2025 sa Dubai. Hindi pa raw siya prepared. Of course, sa ating Philcom Queens ni MJ, may nanalo na. Pareho kayong magaling. So, siyempre, palagi ko sinasabi kahit sa mga candidate kong sarili, pag nagpapadala ko, always do your best and God will do the rest. Diba? And of course, si MJ na talagang seryosong ginampanan ng pagiging national director na pwede kong ipagmalaki. She's one of the best national director na nakita ko sa United Arab Emirates. Nanonood ka ko, sure, nakikita mo yan. Yan ang totoo. So, sa inyong lahat, syempre sa aking Megastar family, maraming salamat sa inyo. Sa panda na siyan kape kay Alvin, thank you so much. Pwede na po tayong kumain.
Hindi pa tapos, Mother.
Hindi pa tapos.
Mother, pang-ilang edition na to, and narinig ko, lalabas mo daw sa ibang bansa ulit.
7th edition po to ng Miss and Miss Tourism. And alam nyo, isa sa pinaka, I would say, blessing na palaging dumarating sa buhay ng Megastar family. Hindi man nyo kami nakikita sa mga malalaking lugar like name, Okada, or Soler, or whatever. Pero kami, ang pwede lang namin ipagmalaki, yung sustainability namin sa pageant. At hino-host po ang pageant namin ng ibang country. Ang Miss Teen Tourism po gaganapin sa Sri Lanka next year. Ang Mrs. Tourism na hinost ng Dubai ngayon, i-host po ng Vietnam next year. Ang Mrs. Universe, hinost po ng Leyte this year. And the Woman of the World po, Batangas. Ayan. So, sa lahat po na sumusuporta sa international project namin, maraming salamat po. At huling kataga na gusto ko ibigay. Alam ko kasi nanonood siya. Dahil naka-live stream ako, nanonood siya.
Sino siya?
Ulit-ulit ko sasabihin sa ito.
Lakas ng dating.
Our title is not for sale. Maraming salamat.
Oh my God, sino yan?
Ayan. Oh my God.
Saan ba yung final venue? Ba August 8?
August 8, birthday ni Prince, SM City, San Pedro.
At syempre naman tayo.
May bago lang yun. Bago lang ba yun? San Pedro?
Bago siya.
SM.
SM bago. Maganda siya.
Anyway,
Kasi doon namin nilagay kasi para kung sakali umulan, at least safe ang lahat kasi SM yun. Kaya SM City San Pedro, sa management po, maraming salamat. Ang SM City, first time nila magkakaroon ng bonggang stage sa event. Gagawin po namin yun. Katulad ng ginawa namin sa Tanlawan. Nakita nyo naman yun. So, uulitin namin.
Maganda yan, mabilis.
Congrats, Mother.
1 hour kasi, siguro 5 o'clock.
Hanggang 10 o'clock.
Kasi dapat ako matapos. Kasi ball.
Anyway.
So, alam ko po, gusto niyo nang kumain. So,
May
ay, isa pa daw.
Wait lang.
Thank you, Mother. So, for Luis
Next
and...
question is...
Yan. Can you stand up, please? Dalawa kayo.
Ito yung
Dito,
pinaka-
harap na lang kayo. Yeah. Mauna muna si Luis. Come in front, please. Yan.
Kailangan sila, no?
Oo.
Ay, bakit ito?
Ayan, ang ganda. Ayun, wala nang mic, so anin ko na lang. Ayan, ready nyo na. Ayan, ready? 1, 2, 3. Luis, why should you be the next Miss Teen Tourism?
I think I should be the next Miss Teen Tourism so that I can promote my advocacy and also inspire the youth and other women. Thank you so much.
Yes! Next one, Jaira.
Dapat short but
Oh.
Yes.
Yes. Jaira, why should you be the next Miss Teen Tourism?
I should be the next Miss Teen Tourism because I want to inspire the youth all around the world that they can do whatever they want when they put their heart and mind to it. Thank you.
Yes, winner! Okay na, Mother! Ikaw, close mo na, Mother. Close mo na.
Ano yung closing remarks?
Closing remarks.
With team song.
Ayan, thank you so much sa aking mga media friends. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. The Star Blogger, Pub Philippines, Pageantry Fanatics, Pageantology 101, Pageant Trend, Pageant Chronicle, Open Worldwide, Eventology,
Galing niya, si Dad niyang yan, ha?
Pageant News,
Pageantry International.
Pageantry International,
PNI.
and Pageantry Tourism Magazine. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At picture taking.
Yes! Kasama ka.
Ayan! With team song. Mga!
With every step,
Sila ka na team song.
Nanonood siya kung sino man siya.
Saka di sa camera.
Oo. Nanonood siya kung sino man siya.
Naman siya.
Mesa Philippines, Queens
At tanggalin na natin to.
beyond the crown, we claim the prize. Tourism grows as hope begins.
Here.
This is the voice of
Here po.
Philippines.
Ipa, baba lang din yan.
From north to south,
One more.
a nation proud.
Dito muna.
Ganda ng team song.
Okay, center. 1, 2.
Let's take flight.
Sama yung family at saka Megastar. Family at saka Megastar.
That's what we stand. Empowered women, hand in hand.
Gitna ka. Ikaw ang queen na. Ikaw ang queen.
We wear the flag with deepest pride. Megastar Philippines, dreams take flight. Beyond the stage, we shine a light. More than beauty, we lead with grace. Megastar's heart in every place.
Wait lang po, kapatid.
Tourism page, John. Women Run.
Kapatid ni... Kaninong kapatid? Kaninong kapatid? Okay. Smile! Ganda naman yung kapatid.
Dito. Ano, Jeddah versus ano? Tourism Blue.
Oo.
Ano, Jeddah versus?
Jesus! Megastar! 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 Bakla, iba, bakla.